Hey guys, it's Emma and I'm back with another video, and today's video is actually pretty exciting because I've been waiting to do this video for about 3 months because I actually moved into an apartment, my first apartment ever, in August, and I really have been wanting to show you guys my apartment tour when I have a break between my classes today because it is Monday and I have classes, but on my break I'm doing this little photo shoot thing, and then I'm going to go to my math class, and then I'm going to clean my messy room because it's very messy, but I thought that it'd be cool to show you guys me like cleaning it a little bit because my room was spotless like a couple days ago, but then the weekend happened and it was a bunch of Halloween parties. I had my first home opener for the Cavs, but on my second year because I was a Cavalier girl last year, so I had my second home opener ever on Saturday, and then on Friday I went to a Halloween party, then another Halloween party after. So basically my room is destroyed, and I was like, okay, well, if I'm not gonna have the motivation to clean it, like I need to record it to clean it. So that's exactly what I'm doing today. So I'm just gonna show you guys a little rundown. We got a bunny tail, all my clothes from home opener that I need to put in the washer, and then my makeup bag, I need to organize everything. So with that being said, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and also leave any comments down below, and I can't wait. See you guys soon. Are you kidding me? Okay guys, so it's the next day and I have a game today, and I figured I would do some last minute cleaning before I head to my class and then my game, but my rug is messy, so I'm gonna sweep it. And then I totally forgot, I wanted to like tell you guys where I got everything and show you inside my drawers and how like I stay organized. So let's sweep. I'm gonna start with this this rug, and I actually got this rug at Target, and it honestly, I feel like makes my whole room, and I really love it. It was actually on sale, and it was $90, I want to say. So then, yep, didn't take my trash out for this video. Sorry. But I got that at Target as well. Under $20. I've had this dresser for a while, and in here, this is not as organized as it usually is. I wish for the video I organized it, but just have like nighttime stuff. Someone made this for us at an appearance, and it says Cavs Dance Team, and it's so cute, so I keep it there for kind of Halloween. It's not Halloween anymore. Actually, November 5th or something. We have the pajamas, you know, going with the whole nightstand theme, and along with a bunch of bras that I honestly don't even wear that much. A cute plant, and it's fake, and I actually got this at Home Goods. And something about it was on sale. I feel like something was cracked, but I can't tell. So I bought it on sale. I got this at Home Goods, and it's just a cute little pumpkin scented candle, a Hello Fall little room spray, and this cute picture of me and my friend Cassidy. We have this mirror, and I got this at our house. No. It was, if I think of it, I'll put it right here, but this was like 40 bucks. It's kind of off center. There we go. It's an amazing, cute little lamp at Target, and I think it adds a lot. For my like storage under my bed, I just keep like my shoes, hoodies, workout tank tops under here as well. We're gonna go to the closet. I think I got this at Marshall's. So I have all of like the velvet hangers. It was so frustrating to find the same color, so they're just all different like shades of pink, and then like the rose gold and stuff. But I keep my hoodies here, t-shirts and tank tops. I haven't really color coded anything yet, but then I keep like an exercise ball hidden under there, and then all my like jackets, and then shoes up here. And we have dresses back here, and then more of my like wintry sweater type things for more t-shirts and stuff, and then our AC unit. Up some makeup for the game and for class, like getting stuff. But I do love this display, and I actually want to start with this little chair I got at Home Goods, and it was on sale, and it was probably like 30 something bucks. Got this cute little rug at Furniture or At Home, and it's so cute, and it kind of just ties in with like the gold thing I have going around on here. And I got this little cute mirror, circle mirror at Target. I think it was pricier, like $70. And yeah, you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. And this cute little poster of lipsticks, canvas. And actually, Gabby DiMartino has this, and so I feel really special. That is what I keep above because this is my makeup station. Next, we have this dresser. Don't know where I got it, just a plain white dresser, along with a cute aloe plant. And I don't really know how to get it to stand up. Does it mean I'm watering it a little too much? Over here is, okay, so this is a DIY art project I want to put above my bed. And it's like, I took a branch outside and got some stuff at Packatans, and I want to like hang down. You can see I kind of tried to start it. Leaves. So it just hangs by my little closet rack. Guys, I did not make my bed, and my comforter is not with me. It's in the wash, so that's why I'm not showing that side. But to start off, I got this closet rack at Target, and I just keep all the same velvet hangers and just displaying some like fall colors and some shoes. I got all these at like Marshall's or Home Goods. Wear jeans, and I just kind of keep them like little shelves and tank tops. Just put a little cute rug down to make it look a little cuter. I hope you guys enjoyed my new apartment. I love it so much. It's so cute, and I really worked hard to make my room as much as I like wanted the design to be. Does that make sense? I really wanted it to be what it is right now. So I'm really excited about that. Bye guys.
Feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood.